It is hoped that these short videos will encourage businesses to use more Irish in their signage and services to customers. From small individual shops to large shopping centres, many businesses have begun to recognise the benefits of Irish language signs and branding. One centre which has been very successful in promoting Irish all across its retail spaces is Unad na Fuichamóra, the Air Square shopping centre in Galway. Irish language signs and business names is now an established part of the shopping experience, something which can be a model for similar centres across the country.
Air Square Shopping Centre is located in the heart of Galway City Centre. We have over 80 retailers on site at present. We have full occupancy. We have over 12 million visitors per annum into the centre, which equates to about 300,000 per week. We've always used some form of Gaeilge in the centre, but in the last couple of years we have started to incorporate it completely into the centre. So for us, in our common areas in the malls, we have made all our signs bilingual. We've continued to do that, and we're also now working with tenants and to try and get them on board. As there are multiple owners within the centre, it is a little bit harder for us to try and communicate with them all and try and get them all on board. But we have any of the new tenants that would have come in are delighted to come on board. They've seen the reaction that we have got in our awards that we have won, the reaction from customers coming into the centre, both locals and national and international customers. Like for us, walking through the centre and seeing some American tourists, Spanish tourists coming up to our customer service desk and asking if that language on the PA system was Irish. It was the first time they would have heard it and are delighted to actually hear it in such a public building. The tenants themselves have seen a benefit. We have a newsagents downstairs on the ground floor, nGael, and they've just done a full revamp, and they have put all external signage up in both English and Irish, so it's bilingual signage, but the amount of customers coming into them, actually speaking to them in Irish and actually delighted to see the language visible to them. For them, they're actually probably getting more customers coming into them now because of being able to visually see it as well. We've just done a refit of our lifts in the centre. And all our signage in the lifts have now gone into bilingual, but also the sound inside in it as well. So that's got a massive reaction from customers. I think this is such an important part of our culture. It's becoming more fashionable, to be truly honest. I think more tenants and customers are beginning to see, and if you look at the younger children, they all have the Irish now, and parents want to see it more and are actually happy to see it within the shops. For other businesses considering incorporating the Irish language into their businesses, I would totally and utterly recommend it. We have seen so much positive feedback on it. It's definitely good for business. Galway City is a tourist destination, so the amount of tourists that we have here, they love to see the language, they love to actually witness it, and the fact that now the tenants can see the benefit of it means that they're actually bringing more footfall into their units by having the language and by people being able to witness, see it and hear it.
These examples of using Irish in business can be used anywhere in Ireland, and support for those who want to use Irish in business is available. Glór na nGael looks forward to working with businesses who wish to make the change. For further information, visit glórnagael.ie, forrestnagaeilge.ie, or olas@glórnagael.ie.